Hello, everybody. Welcome back to a brand new episode. So, I hope you're going to enjoy this one. And here we are on now again with Tesla. But I need to state as well, I am on this trade on my real account. I think we're up to £58 on the real account. And this is starting off with about £90. So, we've got £58 profit from the Tesla. And I closed the gold. But we're just going to talk about the Tesla here. So, Tesla is my stock pick of the year, to be honest. I mean, there's been a lot of volatile moves. Clearly a bit of a parabolic stock at the minute. Yesterday was a little bit of a downturn for it, but clearly all the way up since around February, looking at the 1 month, and the growth and acceleration of this one is just continuing all the way up, and now we are hitting an absolute all-time price high. And this seems to have been the case for a few days actually. All-time price high of around 2088, 2090 ish. So obviously if you'd have bought in lower down, you would have made a nice profit, and this is what I have done in the past and in the present as well, and fortunately caught a nice move from the Tesla. And on the demo account, like I said, we're talking about how we made 65.1 thousand on this one. Obviously, like I said, higher leverage on the demo account, as you know, but it's just important for me to state that. But it is a similar principle to the real account. So yes, following this one on the real account, should have put a picture on screen by now. But yes, this is what's going on with the Tesla. So I'm going to explain everything, and in the future, I'm going to explain why this is my favorite stock pick for this year. Because although it is quite overinflated in my opinion still, and quite overvalued, it just appears to be keeping going, and there are a few reasons behind that, but I'm going to be talking about those in a future episode, which will be coming in around 2 days. So yes, this is for today, and then tomorrow we've got something different planned, and the next day should be why Tesla stock may be overvalued, and the things which could be driving the stock to such a high price point at the minute, and why it could be or could be not a good stock to invest in. But anyway, I'm just going to show you all the things that you need to know about how I jumped in with this one. So we're going to start off on the highest position. Obviously, they were both purchased at different times. This one's 2011 on the 3rd of the 8th. So you see the 3rd of August, which is this month. It's about the 15th now, I think. I'm not 100% sure on the date, to be honest. But yes, that's 100 stock at this price. And then we have here at the lower point on the date of 1918 on the 22nd of the 7th. So obviously late July there. It was purchased only a position of 50, so half. Obviously, that's equated to around half profits, and you can see the level on the screen where they were at. So clearly, you can see we got very lucky there, because if this would have been a lower percentage account like it was on my real account, we could have had a very messy ending and could have got stopped out here. But we can see we got 1, 2, 3 days all the way up. Then we started to lose traction for the 2 days. I'm guessing that's a weekend. Again, once it opened up again, we had a nice green candle followed by a nice green candle, obviously slightly to the downside. Following with that, a red candle to the downside, but not very much, very small candle there. And then we had a nice green candle today and a nice green candle yesterday as well. So clearly working out well. Obviously, it's a Friday today. So today's a Friday and tomorrow is a Saturday. The market will be closed, and it will be closed for the next 2 days. But this is just where we're at on the Friday, and we can see here the phenomenal gains of Tesla this year. On the 1 year, we've got 849.99%, so let's just call it 850% rise, which is honestly quite amazing for a stock. And even today, we've got a 3% rise on Tesla, and this week we've got a 26% rise. So maybe it's not the best investment stock, because yes, it is good, but honestly, to go around it on a CFD route like this, we can see this could be something which is too good to be true. I mean, personally, I'm invested in it, so what can I say? But I'm just providing all of the information that you might want to know, because like I said, with such a small amount, I'm not too worried about it. But yes, this is a very, very, very rapidly increasing stock. If we look on the 1 day, obviously you can see it's pretty much straight up, and that is amazing. And even from here, if we've got a little spot where it looks straight up, so it's been quite high since around June. But yes, this stock is even going higher, even when nobody expected it really, because I was invested in it from around this high red candle here, let's say, and I rode it all the way out down to here, and I thought Tesla stock is not going to be the one, and it's clearly going down now. Fair enough, it's been overvalued, and if I caught the move late, then that's just my fault. But then we see this candle to the green side, massive candle to the green side, and we are off again on another rise with Tesla up to the price of £2.1 thousand. So Tesla now hitting over £2.1 thousand almost. It's gone up by £1.30 during the making of this video, and it doesn't really show much sign of being stopped anytime soon. I mean, I have been wrong with my predictions, so I'm not really going to tell you that you should buy this one in this episode, and I'm going to be evaluating it more in the next episode, which will be on Sunday. So yeah, this is just Tesla, and I'm going to put this video in the live trade series. So if you want to see any more of the live trades, we've got some great ones on the real account and on the demo account. So we've got two accounts to talk about, and we've got some real trades going on there. So I think you'll find that an interesting playlist. And if you want to learn more about the stock market, please check out the Stock Market Explained series. And if you want to learn about Forex, also check out the Forex series. Obviously, we're not advertising any courses here. So all the information is free on YouTube, and all I ask is that you like and subscribe. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, and thank you for joining me on this one. See you then.